Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to add overlay on InShot. So first of all, launch InShot app on your mobile devices. From here, tap on the category of video. Once you have chosen a video, just below the video you can see various categories. Swipe towards the left hand side and you can see the option of BIP, which is picture in picture, another word for overlay. Tap on it. Now all you would have to do is choose a picture from your gallery. You can adjust the picture as overlay on your video accordingly. After this, you could also edit the size, duration of the overlay and other options given under this category. So, follow these easy steps so that you could add overlay on your InShot video. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.